Everything's going to be all right, kids. We'll weather the storm. I don't know how we're going to manage, but somehow we'll weather the storm. Hi, friend. Welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethlyn. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the idiom, weather the storm. So, what does it mean? Well, weather, right? It's when it's raining, it's sunny, it's windy. But then how do you weather a storm? Before we begin, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that you know every time we release a new video. Now, this idiom, to weather the storm. In the first example, I said, all right, kids, we're gonna weather the storm. We have everything we need. In the second example, I talked about this idea of being able to weather the storm. And if you paid attention to my tone, it was pretty somber. It was almost like I was sad, but I wasn't completely hopeless. So to weather the storm means to endure a difficult time or a difficult situation. You're basically saying to yourself, you're basically stating that you will make it to the other side. You're going to make it through. And it doesn't have to be a literal storm with the weather. It could be just a difficult time, a difficult situation. So maybe your home is about to be foreclosed. So maybe you're going to lose your home, or maybe someone just lost their job and they were the main provider. And it could really be anything that is challenging, it's hard, it's tough. So you say, we're going to weather the storm. And you'll often hear people use the verb to go. I am going to, we're going to weather the storm. You can also use it in the future tense. We will weather the storm. They will somehow weather the storm. So it's an idiom that provides hope. Even though things are hard, even though it's difficult and it looks like there's no way out, there's still hope. Something will change. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below. Until next time.